Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, my group will be present about our business idea, which is Grab a Drone. So we will start with
Customer segment.
Okay. Nowadays, people not into buying and owning the drone because of the licensing and so on. So it is more convenient if people can just rent the drone instead of buying. The customer segment for this drone can be leisure and business travel, film producer, photographer, TV stations, the youth local population, government agency. They are all the potential prospect to rent this drone because they need it to improve and finish their daily tasks.
Value proposition.
So, the value proposition of our product is our customer can rent our product easily and cheap instead of buying. And our product is safe and reliable in way to capture every moment. Our Grab a Drone can be rent and collect at anywhere and anytime because our service hour is open for 24/7. And lastly, our product is convenient for minimalist travelers like backpackers.
Channel.
So now I'm going to talk about channel. So first of all is social media. We will post about our product Grab a Drone in official page, for example, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So next is official website. So for the official website, we will create our own Grab a Drone official website and make a post about our product to tell the visitor why they need to grab a drone and why this product can attract tourists to use our service. And next is for the tourism blogs. So Tourism Malaysia will help us to promote our product at their blogs. As we know that Tourism Malaysia website is the website where tourists from the other country collect their information before they visited the place. And for the mobile application, we will create an app, Grab a Drone, for customer care line and online service. And next is for the airport billboards. So this airport billboards will help us to promote the product to the inbound and outbound tourists during their arrival at our local airport.
Customer relationship.
Now I'm going to explain to you guys about the customer relationship. In order to maintain our relationship with the customer, we are supporting our customer for 24 hours. And then we are creating a creative group and we also have interaction with our customer through social media. Next, we also provide a referral code system and loyalty card point and newsletter for our customer. And lastly, we also provide an online application site and apps for our customer.
Revenue streams.
Okay, for revenue stream, all these resources will support the company to gain profit. Equipment rental, equipment trade, creative artwork editing, drones, cameras and GoPro reparation and servicing. The company will focus on all these parts because this is the main income resources.
Key activities.
Key activities. There are several types of activities that we will do during our rental service, such as the marketing and advertising, search and find the new customers and partners, improving the equipment, creative editing, and training the staff. All these training are done to achieve the profit through marketing strategies and training conducted.
Key resources.
So, our company Grab a Drone requires a capital of 100,000 ringgit for the expense of equipment and maintenance, dues and taxes for the government, and employees' wages, also the advertising costs. We require skilled employees for the handling of our product and also unskilled employees for the simple administration works. Those are our key resources too. The next key resources is our equipment itself. The cameras, the gadgets needed for our drones is a main resource too. Last but not least, our key resources is the physical stores and also warehouse. This is where all the magic happens. This is where we stock our products and pack it for the delivery to our consumers and key partners.
Key partners.
To make our product business successful, we have to make a partnership with the Tourism Information Center, which it can help us to promote our product to the locals and tourists to grab a drone and fly while capturing the scenery of their visitor place and to take pictures whenever they want. So next, we also create a partnership with the airport where we need an operator to guide us on the drone business, which how can we operate this drone and what we can do and what we can't do. So we also hire an influencer that will boost up our product by helping us to promote our product to their followers in the social media and attract them on how interesting this product can be. Also, for the insurance company, it is important for us to make a partnership with them because we know that drone is a fragile device, so this could lead to a problem to the locals environment. For example, the drones, when the drones are malfunctions and drop on someone's car, so we will call the insurance company to support us on the compensation to the owner. So for the gadget company, this will help us on the spare part of the drones, as we know that it's hard for drones company to find a spare part for the device and also service for the device. And lastly, the Malaysian government. To make this product run smoothly without any problem, we need to apply the permission permit on drones, which is very important for a drones company to become a successful product deliver to the locals and also to the government.
Cost structure.
Cost structure are costs that we will face during the drone rental service. So the first one is online fees like in the website or on the social media. These costs are incurred through drone marketing and advertising that are done on the social media. Next are maintenance and replacement of the equipment. So this cost is charged when repairing the drones that are damaged during the rental service. And among the other costs that we will face are such as advertising and marketing expenses, shop rent, and influencer remuneration. Grab a drone now. Capture your every moment from every angle. Thank you.